Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about do's, don'ts, and myths. Topic: modifications. We have this sweet 2021 Honda Foreman 520 with lots of mods on it. Big oversized wheels, high grip tires, modified snorkel kit, light bar, 2-inch lift kit. Now, nothing wrong with tricking out your sweet ride. The problem is there's a difference between quick modifications and smart modifications. I'll explain it to you here in just 1 second. But first, a visual aid. What's wrong with this picture? The problem is putting very high lift kits puts a very stressed angle on these prop shafts, which causes them to bind as they rotate. The high stress causes the knuckles to fail, and the failure of modified suspensions and drive components is not warrantable. So that brings us to our myth. Modifying your machine immediately voids the warranty. Not necessarily. This particular unit, the warranty itself isn't voided on the whole unit. However, Honda will not pay for the repair to the damaged driveline components because of the modification. If the electrical system goes out, depending on the cause, that still could be under warranty. The engine components are still under warranty. Any subsequent failure that is not due to modification could be warrantable, but because of the modification to those specific components, that isn't warrantable, but it doesn't void the warranty on the whole machine. All right, let's see if we can sneak down in here and look to see this other rear failure. All right, so this is the rear output shaft, the prop shaft that feeds the rear drive coming out of the back of the motor. Alright, so you can see here that seal has failed. Now, had this not been modified and been under any kind of stress, the seal itself, an engine oil leak, most probably would have been under warranty. However, this is a subsequent failure due to the stress to the driveline, as evidenced on that knuckle there. Again, due to the 2-inch lift placed on this shaft that put the knuckle at an extreme angle, which caused it to bind and fail. All right, now I know what some of you are thinking. Mr. Serviceman, you're pointing out all these problems and all these failures, but what's the solution? Okay, well, the solution is don't just stop at a lift kit. There are aftermarket components designed to complement lifted suspensions and modified driveline components. For example, All Balls makes a heavy-duty set of aftermarket shafts that can go on four-wheelers. There's lots of people out there on the market that make aftermarket components for the whole driveline. The point is, don't just stop at the quick mod. Do it right, do it smart, and you don't cost yourself hundreds if not thousands of dollars in repairs. Now, a subsequent failure of the driveline still wouldn't be warrantable by the manufacturer per se, but the components themselves might come with their own warranty. Also, a simple quick modification won't cost you thousands of dollars down the line because you want to do it quick and easy instead of smart. So spend your money wisely so that way you can continue to have fun.